You want to live like the 1%. Live like no one else today so that one day you can live like no one else. Etong gusto ng Diyos sa atin. In 1 Thessalonians chapter 4 verse 3, here's what God's will is. Sabi niya, God's will for you is to be holy. When we think about holy, what we think is that holiness means having a halo on top. Being so goody-goody. Walang pagkakamali. Blameless. Holy in the Bible, the Greek word for holy is hagios, which means to be set apart, to be different. Kaya nga sabi niya, do not conform to the patterns of this world. But here's our problem. Yes, we are Christians, and yet we don't look like one. Hindi masyadong halata. Bakit? Because we look exactly and think and behave exactly like the rest of the world. Sa mga singles dito, we want to be happily married, but we date like the rest of the world. Ano sinasabi natin? Oh, it's 2026 already, Brother Velden. Ligaw? What's ligaw? Hindi na uso yan. That's so 1970s. Ang uso ngayon, pagka gusto mo, kayo na. First day pa lang, situationship na. Parang may understanding na, naghahawakan na ng kamay, naghahalikan na, ganyan. Bakit? Gusto mo, kayo na. Try mo na kagad. Pero, deep in your heart, I wanna be happily married. But you're dating like the rest of the world. We want to have a fruitful 2026 without the faithfulness, without conforming to the Word of God. The truth is, you cannot walk into God's will for your life if you insist on walking in the patterns of the world. You want to change your life? You want to live like the 1%? Live like no one else today so that one day you can live like no one else. When you live like the rest of the world, you will be broken like the rest of the world. Ano ba ang normal ngayon? Normal lang may utang. Normal ang sexual immorality. Normal ang korupsyon. Hindi lang sa mga politiko, pati sa pinakamababang klase ng tao mamamayan dito sa lipunan, merong korupsyon. Normal lang hindi nagsisimba. Normal lang tamad. Normal lang walang direksyon sa buhay. Why do we want normal if normal is broken?